Okay guys, before we start our luxury DIY home project that reminds me of a luxury hotel, I want to say thank you for watching and cheers. I want you to relax and enjoy this one. Grab some wine, a cup of coffee, take a bath, whatever floats your boat. But just make sure your responsibilities are done. You've fed the family, you've fed your significant other, because that means we have free time to go to Home Goods. So let's go. Okay, we're here. Home Goods. Look what they have. This one. Outdoor set. I feel like this is the whole Nancy Meyers aesthetic. Oh, look at all the pink. Oh, look, strawberry shortcake. Very cute. That is cute. I'm such a sucker for strawberry shortcake, you guys. I like how they have all the colors together. $5.99. You get the black and white. This is cute. That's pretty. So I've been wanting to try. This is cute because it has the 3 different textures. It has the waffle within the straight part. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is exactly what I was wanting from my bed. You know, so you can lean back with your glass of wine and watch your show. Okay guys, it's here. This is what they sent me. This is a DIY that's not gonna break the bank. This DIY is not gonna cause an argument. It's not going to be misappropriating funds. It's not gonna be funneling any money. I've spent worse on worse things. Basically, you see that track system? Okay, so we added this spray texture. Can you tell? Just so it can match the ceiling. So curtains look amazing and fabulous when you hang them from the ceiling, but these ceiling track systems aren't a good look, so I have the perfect solution. So this is what it looks like before I add the curtains. Look how cute, and look at the quality of these pinch pleat curtains. They are gonna be so cute. You just hang them up with these little hooks. You have this flax linen texture. You guys are not gonna believe this. Guess what happened? I ordered my curtains too short. Oh my God, oh my God. So I'm gonna message the company and see what I can do, and I'll see you next time so we can finish this project.